You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
Guys, today, power intervals. If you've never done these with me before, we have 8 of them to do of the sprints, of the intervals. I add a little twist to it. On the relaxation part, I crank mine up around 20. Only a resistance of 1. Okay, and then the interval, the power interval, it smacks you like climbing straight up a hill, hitting a brick wall. It's a resistance of 20. It's tough. If you need to back down on the relaxation part, back it down. I use it as a sprint, as a cardio blaster. If you have a second alternative that you'd like to keep your heart monitor on, I use the iPhone watch. Do that now. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. Make sure you hit the subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification. Let's find power interval. I just went past it. Found it. 14 minutes. 8 stages. 3, 2, 1. Hit the start. The first one goes right into power. Doesn't usually get up that high. We're at a 10 right now. Let's see if we'll climb any higher. Okay, let's get some music. Seconds. Spinning fast. If you can't hang at this tempo, that's okay. You can go faster, then do it. Interval is going to be harder. Control your breathing. Seconds. Interval to number 2 coming up. Go. 25 seconds of it. Okay. Start spinning fast. Feels weird at first. You'll get used to it. My control panel's right in the corner. You see everything I'm doing. 30 seconds. Sorry. There it comes. Just adjust. pause. Don't let it freak you out. Use that upper body to help you. See, on the 14-minute interval training, you dread that sprint. On this one, it's just the opposite. You look forward to the power interval. We're in stage 3. 159 on the heart rate. 30 seconds. Round number 4. Here it comes. Push through it, come on. Seconds. There you go. Great job. Sweat's just pouring off my head. I love this workout. Make sure you stick around for the after talk. Seconds. Stage 5. We're over halfway done. Seconds. 5 seconds. There we go. Push through it. Come on. I know you're tired. Do the best you can. There we go. Just spin. Concentrate on that steady pace. 5 seconds. Round 6. Just push through it. Don't quit. Just do the best you can. More stages, guys. Hang in there. $169 on the heart rate. Seconds. Control your breathing. Round 7 coming up. 5 seconds. Here we go. Push through it. Don't worry about it if it's not where you want it. Keep the workout going. It's supposed to be hard. One last stage. We got this. Fast spinning is the hard part of this workout. Seconds. Stage 8 coming up. Don't worry about your control power. Don't even worry about it. 5 seconds. There we go, last one. Come on, push through it. Push through it. Come on, you got it. 5 seconds, come on. We just gotta finish the pace now. Over 300 calories. Just gotta finish it now, come on. One minute. You got it. No quitters here. Let me catch my breath, and we'll be right back for the after talk. Welcome back to the segment I call the after talk. Instead of wasting all the time on the video for people who don't have a lot of time, we come here to discuss the workout. Guys, if you followed the routine that I did, I just burned 333 calories in 14 minutes. Doesn't sound like a lot compared to what we burn on the other programs, but remember, we're spinning at a resistance of 1. It's like no power at all. It is so hard to generate that energy to the machine to keep it up there at 20 RPMs. So if you're doing it with me, give yourself a round of applause, because it's really hard, all right? I'm 51 years old. I'm sure I've told you that before. If you're younger than me and you're struggling to do this, stick with the workout. I did not become like this overnight. This takes a long time to become like this. I love cardio workouts. And so that power interval where it just slams you, engage that upper body, okay? Make the arms, when you're pushing through, you're working that tricep, and when you're pulling back, you're working that bicep, you're working your lats, you're working your middle back, you're working your shoulders. I mean, it's an all-around workout. Bowflex really designed this machine to be a full body workout. There's no other way to explain it. I don't sell Bowflex. I don't work for Bowflex. Bowflex doesn't sponsor me. They don't send me any advertisement. They don't help me out. This is simply a machine that I bought with my own money, fell in love with it, and decided to start bringing it to YouTube for you guys. So if you don't have a Bowflex Max Trainer, you have an elliptical, you have a Stairmaster, you have a treadmill, hit the button and join us. I want everyone working out with us. Maybe we can encourage you while you're on that treadmill to speed it up or incline it up, okay? We want everybody here. But if you want the ultimate workout, take it from a guy who's been to the gym. I used to be a marathon runner, 5K runner, speed skater. This machine does the job for at home. And to be able to do the job in 14 minutes, that takes most people an hour or so to do on other stuff or outside running, it's incredible. Okay, thanks for coming by the After Talk. We will see you next time. Oh, please subscribe. Okay? Thumbs up. It really helps the channel get noticed by a lot of people. All right, I'll talk to you later.